So as you can see, I've made the last 5 single crochet on the fourth side, and now I'm going to cut the yarn and pull it through. So, and I've got my threading needle here, so just going to put that in here. And normally an invisible join would require us to skip the next stitch. This is just a chain, so we skip that anyway. So to skip the next stitch and go into the one afterwards, but we don't have a stitch here, we only have a chain. So what we do is we just pretend that it's a stitch, and we've got those 2 loops at the top and that 1 bump at the bottom, just as we would with a normal stitch. And so we go from front to back, and now we go back into the same stitch where we came from, and I like to also catch the 3rd loop of here. So I'm going to get the 3rd loop as well, and then it's just a matter of pulling as much as you need to make this stitch as big as the ones before. And the only thing you have to do now is to weave in the tail and just finish that, and that is your invisible stitch. It replaces the stitch underneath, so you have the same stitch count as before, but it looks a little bit neater than just making a single crochet, than just making a slip stitch.